guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make slime like this. Well, I'm going to tell you how to make it because my hand is just, because I ran out of glue, so I'm going to get more glue today. What you need is tie and some glue. Any kind of glue will work. I'm using glitter glue, like clear glue or white glue or whatever you're using. So I'm going to take it out and show you. So here's the slime. I don't know if it's right here. It feels really, well, it feels really cool. It just feels like rubber. Well, slime are not supposed to be like this. Well, this is actually slime. But, yeah, and you know that it's so sparkly because I use glitter glue. So, you need Elmer's glue. Well, people use water. They mix up with the glue. Well, you don't have to add water. And I use Tide. Well, and then you mix them together. You can put how much glue you want in there. Well, if you have a lot of glue, like the whole bottle, 5 ounces or 4 ounces, and then so you want to add a lot. Well, not that much Tide. You add a lot. Well, if you don't have enough and become like, it's hard to explain. Well, you can just add more if you want to, because if it turned out weird, you can add more. So, yeah, and I'm gonna get glue today, so I'm probably gonna make a video today or tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm just gonna stop this video right here, and I hope, yeah.